Hello friends, myself Envy Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik. We will see the different algorithm strategies of which we have to use in different sorting algorithm. Means the different sorting algorithms like internal and externals will be dependent on these different algorithm strategies. So first of all, we will start with the first strategy, that is divide and conquer algorithm. In this divide and conquer technique, we will have to discuss the points like introduction to DAC, means divide and conquer algorithm, then the proper or actual algorithm or the method of the DAC, means we have to see its algorithm. Again, we have to see the recurrence relation for the DAC algorithm. Recurrence relation is nothing but the actual execution part of your any algorithm or any method, and the different problems which are using the DAC techniques. The introductory part or the basic mechanism of the DAC can be divided into three parts, that is, first is the divide, second is the conquer, and third is the combine method. So what is the divide? The dividing is nothing but split our whole problem or the array into separate two parts. Means suppose we will consider the array like 1 2 3 4 5, then we have to divide, means we have to divide it by picking any one element as a middle and separating this array into the two separate sections. Conquer is nothing but the subproblems solved by the DAC methods, means this is again solved by divide, this is again solved by divide. And third, the combine is what? This whole solved problem, means divide and conquer techniques are actually combined, means we will get the solution at this combined stage. So this is the basic mechanism behind that, that is, it will first divide the whole problem into two separate parts, then apply some strategies to solve this, means conquer this problem, and then lastly combine this problem into a single one. We will see the different algorithms which are using the divide and conquer strategies. First is the binary search, means the searching algorithm known as a binary search. What is the mechanism behind binary search? In each step, the algorithm compare the input element x with the value of the middle element in the array. If the value matches the return index of the middle, otherwise if x is less than the middle element, then algorithm recurs for left side of the middle, else it recurs for the right side of the middle element. Means by explaining it with the example, we can explain it like, for example, we are having the data elements like 10, 12, 13, 15, 16. If we divide, if we have to search the element 30, then the binary search algorithm first divide this on the middlemost element. Means 13 is the middlemost element. Now it will compare our searching element to the middlemost element. If these both searching and middlemost elements are same, then it will gives us the success message, means the number is found, and returns the position of this element. If not, means if we have to find the 10 as a searching element, if it compares it with 13 and it is not equal to 13, then it will check for less than or greater than. As we are seeing here, 10 is less than the 13, so it will go to the left half of the array, means it will search it in this portion. If we have to search the 16, as we see it is greater than 13, then it will be searching this section. So it continuously apply the same procedure again and again, and lastly it will receive the output, means the searching element position in your whole array. Next technique, that is using the divide and conquer algorithm, is nothing but the quick sort. We will see first some basic mechanism or the algorithm part and then explain it with example. This algorithm picks a pivot element, rearranges the array element in such a way that all elements smaller than the pivot element moves to the left side of the pivot, and all the elements greater than are moved to the right side of the array. Finally, the algorithm recursively sort the subarrays on left and right of the pivot element. Means, for example, we will take one example here. Suppose elements like 5, 2, 0, 1, 6, 8, 9. The algorithm says us that it will pick any one element as a pivot, means it by default picks the first element as a pivotal element. Then it will apply some procedures as like they will get some algorithmic strategies and place the pivotal element, means this element, at such a position where all the elements less than this pivotal element will be arranged to the left side and elements greater than the pivotal element will be arranged to the right hand side. Means in this example, the 2, 0, 1 will be arranged to this side, then the place of pivotal is here, and here the greater than elements are arranged into the right half side. And as these are not sorted order, but it will apply again the quick sort, means again divide and conquer strategy will be applied and elements are sorted at the last. So this is the mechanism behind the quick sort algorithm. Next is the merge sort algorithm or the merge sort technique, which is using the divide and conquer strategy. What is the basic algorithm? The algorithm says that this divides the array into two halves, recursively sorts them, and finally merges the two sorted halves. The closest pair of points the problem is to find, means the closest pair of problem is having the problem in which it finds the closest pair of points in a set of points in xy plane. The problem can be solved in omega of big O of n square time by calculating the distance of every pair of points and comparing the distances to find the minimum elements. The divide and conquer strategies. Next was the merge sort algorithm. In this merge sort, it will take one position and divide the whole array into half. Means it will suppose divide this into first half and this into the second half. Again divide it into half, half, and at the last it will combine this into whole array with sorted numbers. So this is the merge sort, means divide into two, sort them in their nearest elements, and again combine them into a single array. The overall algorithms or the strategies which are based on the divide and conquer all are solved in the time complexity of big O of n log n. Means the algorithms means binary search, quick sort, merge sort, both means these all having the time complexity of big O of log n. Why? Because they are the part of divide and conquer technique. There are some algorithms like Strassness algorithm and many more algorithms, faster Fourier transformation algorithms. They will acquire the techniques of divide and conquer strategies. The divide and conquer algorithm in programming terms is like we will try to design the algorithm in programming terms. For that, we will take one function like DAC means divide and conquer technique. We are not providing here the return type because it is only a prototype, not a detailed explanation. So it is having only the function name. Then A, I, J, we will take it as a array. I is the first index, J is the last index. Then we have to apply procedures like if small a I j, then we will take a answer like return solution a I j. Means here we are comparing the elements with the required elements in any case, means for sorting or in searching time, and then returning the solution with this array. If it is not, then we will divide them on the middlemost, means we will apply divide on a I j, means the middlemost element will be captured in m. Then we have to search the elements like b dac a I middle, means first of all we will compare our element with the middlemost element. If means here we have divided, if it is to the middlemost position, then we will call the first DAC, that is the array first index and the middlemost element, means we are dealing with the left half. Then for next comparison we are taking as plus 1 position, means mid plus 1, and j means we are dealing with the right half position. Then at last we will combine them into a single, means we will apply the combine and we will combine the answers of these into these both, and finally returns the D as a solution of our algorithm. So this is the basic mechanism which is giving us the facility like divide and conquer. Using this technique means we have to find, if we have to use the binary search, then we have to use such techniques. If we have to use the sorting, then we will first divide, then apply to left half, right half, and at last combines them into a single and returns the actual answers array. This is all about the divide and conquer strategy.